I think that one of the biggest things that robotic arms or other forms of robots have is to do things that are dangerous for humans to do. We're in the Architectural Robotics Lab in the Student Innovation Center at Iowa State University. We look at ways where robotics can be brought into future construction practices. So that might be something like augmenting things that people already do, or speculating on future construction methods. Robotics are good at doing the same thing over and over again. Especially robots that you see here are non-task specific robots, so any number of things where they're designed to do the same thing over and over again for 20 or 30,000 hours. Construction sites are not the same as factory floors. They have a lot of variability. There's variability in weather conditions, and it requires a lot of adaptability, which isn't something that most current robotic technology is really set up to deal with. I think that the future isn't so much in replacing human labor as it is in augmenting what we already do. My hope is that when we teach technology, we're not really talking about machines. We're talking about kind of an approach to how we make things, and that the technology changes really fast. Like, I can't teach you today everything you're going to need to know over the course of your career. What I can do is help students have an attitude and a set of skills about how to approach a technology that maybe they've never used before, and to think critically about why you use technology, when you use technology.